What's up guys, Josh here with JCS Customs. It's a very chilly morning, but I got another video for you here today. We're gonna do another interior mod video like I promised before. We got the car pulled out, all nice, shiny, sparkly clean. Done a good wash job on it. As you can see, if you've been following along, we did the custom matched dash and radio trim there. So if you haven't checked those videos out, go check them out. So today we're going to be doing the shifter trim here. As you can see, all of them come stock in chrome, and we're trying to delete all the chrome. So I color match painted it. You see that here in a minute. This product can be found on the website at www.jcscustomshop.com. So be sure to check it out if you like it. Let's jump into it. So as you can see, my car is the beautiful Crush Orange that stopped in 2021, and we have our color matched Crush Orange shifter trim here. Turned out a great paint job. So you can see the Crush Orange color matched dash here. Still got to do some touch up spots down here and up there. But yeah, we're gonna set the tripod up here and get started. So we're gonna start by cleaning this. It does need a good cleaning. Just gonna spray a little bit of spray here. Start working on these edges of this shifter here. Just trying to clean it up a little bit. As you can see, there is some debris on it. Go ahead and clean these little areas too. A little bit more. And dry it. Then I'm going to take some alcohol. Some rubbing alcohol here. And I'll rub that on there real good, just to make sure the surface is nicely prepped. It should be good. All right, so now we're going to take our trim here, make sure we can see it in the camera frame. We have our tape already applied here, and I did bring some extra tape just in case. Say we have some tape that don't want to stick. Wow, I dropped it. Got some debris on it, but got some extra tape here just in case. So now we're going to take all this tape off. Correction, don't take the tape off. Take the red pieces off. I just misspoke there. All the red covering is off, so we're ready to place it. Try to line it up as best you can the first time, so you don't have to keep removing it and doing any kind of extra stuff. Make sure we can get that in the camera angle there. So there we have it, the finished applied product. It looks great, matches the other Crush Orange here. This is exact color match paint that I use. And you can still see chrome on the sides here, but that is the case with any of these coverings. You're gonna have that chrome showing there. But overall, you cannot see it from the top really. So it looks great. So let's go ahead and get out and get some shots here of everything together. Slowly working on it, showing you guys some products that you can find on the website. As you can see, the product turned out great on the car. Really like the way it complements all the other color match products that I keep adding to the interior. So yeah, if you liked it, be sure to go down below and absolutely smash that like and subscribe button to help me out in what I'm doing here. And be sure to go check out the product on the website, www.jcscustomshop.com. Link down below in the description. So yeah, guys, feel free to comment anything that you like. I try to answer any of them, all of them, I should say, as I get them. Sometimes YouTube don't notify me, but yeah, every now and then I'll go through there and check all the comments. But yeah, slowly showing you guys everything that can be added to the interior of these cars throughout the month of January and possibly beyond. So if you want to see that, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, see you guys later.